praises to Allah, all praises to Allah. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, all praises to Allah, all praises to Allah.
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode from the English 101 UK with your host Idris Mercy. First of all, allow me to tell you that today I am really delighted to see you coming back again, and I would like to thank you for your positive interaction. In our previous lesson we had the subject pronouns, while in today's lesson we are going to have the object pronouns. So please just sit back, relax, and enjoy yourselves. Okay, let's see what is an object pronouns. Well, an object pronouns is a type of personal pronouns. However, it is completely contrast with a subject pronoun. And there are two types of it, direct and indirect object. As we saw in our previous lesson, that a subject pronouns refers to the one that does the action, while on the other hand, an object pronouns refers to the one that the action goes to. But you know what? Why don't we have a look at them first? Me, you, him, her, it, us, them. So if we say I am writing to him, can you guys tell which one is the subject and which one is the object? As you can see, I is the subject because it is the one that doing the action. It is the one that writing, while him is the object because it is the one that the action is going to. It is the one that is being written to. Okay, here's another one. How about this? He is writing to me. Can you tell which one is which? Very obvious, isn't it? Again, the same thing. He is the subject because it is one that doing the action. It is the one that writing, while me is the subject because it is the one that the action is going to. It is the one that is being written to. Got it? Got it. All right, let's move on. Again, here they are all together, followed by some examples. The subject pronouns versus the object pronouns. I is a subject, while me is an object. You is a subject. You is an object. He is a subject. Him is an object. She is a subject. Her is an object. It is a subject. It is an object. We is a subject. Us is an object. Finally, They is a subject and them is an object. Here are the examples, and the first one to come is my father is looking at me. I am listening to you. Their daughter is calling him. Her mom is helping her. Where's the pen? He can't find it. Hey, why don't you come with us? All right, let's go with them. By the way, you still can find all of these examples and many others down there in the description. Dear viewers, I'm afraid that we are at the end of this lesson. I hope that you find it very useful and very interesting as well. Until next time, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.
All praises to Allah, all praises to Allah. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. All praises to Allah, all praises to Allah.